Okay, so we've gone ahead and printed and cut our images. You'll see that we have the front of our cupcake topper, and we have the plain white back. We have our toothpick for our topper, and then here is our cupcake wrapper. Obviously, you're going to want to assemble it and then slide your cupcake in. Assembly is really easy. Just slide the tab in through the slot and pull. Again, this fits about your average size cupcake, but if you're going to be making it bigger or smaller, you can adjust accordingly in Deisgn Space. So we have our wrapper done. I really love the colors and I love the stripe. It seems a little retro almost, I think, which is why I chose it. Now for the topper, assembly is pretty easily. What we're going to do is use a permanent tape runner on 3 edges of our 4th of July topper. Once we have that, it'll create almost like a little pocket in the middle where we will add some glue to our toothpick and insert it. The reason why I'm using the permanent tape runner is I love the fact that it dries quickly, though it does mean that you have to be careful and quick when using it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and apply that on our 3 sides. And then we're going to go ahead and line up our image. Now this is a pretty flat surface right here, so we're just going to press up against that. There we go, perfect. All right, so we have that. And again, because we did it only on 3 sides, we have our little pocket right here. So you can see that right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply a little bit of glue to our glue stick and then put it right there. You can also honestly just use it like this. You don't really have to add glue for this part, but I feel like it adds a little bit of extra stability on our toothpick. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm using Elmer's Craft Bond for my glue. You can use pretty much any kind of glue that you need for this project or that you already have. Regular Elmer's glue works too. I just have this for paper quilling and other projects. So we're going to go ahead and just apply a little bit of glue. We don't want too much. We don't want it to soak through the paper or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and in that little pocket right here, we're going to put our toothpick right about there. And you'll just want to let it dry, preferably for about 15 to 20 minutes at least, until it's nice and, set. It's not going to go anywhere. So sadly, I do not have cupcakes at the moment, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what this would look like. Again, if you are not in America or you just want to celebrate something different, this is a great tutorial to teach you just how to make your own basic cupcake toppers and wrappers. Print then Cut is a wonderful Deisgn Space feature that allows you to customize almost anything. So I hope you've enjoyed our tutorial today, and I hope that you haven't gotten tired of the sound of my voice, at least not yet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching.